नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चढ़ती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है। मेहनत उसकी खाली हर बार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। Hello friend, this is me Anjali and today I will give you a very important term. Today's topic going to be very rock, that is exam phobia. And during these days exam are held in February, in December, and perhaps you will also give exam. And what is exam phobia? And today's topic is like this. एग्ज़ाम फोबिया क्या है? परीक्षा का डर सबको होता है, आपको भी हुआ होगा. इफ़ यू आर यूथ, इफ़ यू आर स्टूडेंट, यू विल ऑल्सो फील एग्ज़ाम फोबिया. परीक्षा का डर क्यों होता है? Why every students feel exam phobia? And in exam phobia many students and youths commit suicide and get depressed and feel low during exam. This is exam phobia, and this is the actual definition of exam phobia. And here I will give you a very important term and meaning. Exam phobia. Exam phobia, why it comes? Because with many students there is a one problem: wasting of time and not focusing their studies during exams. And when uh, passing whole year waste, they feel exam phobia. That is exam phobia. And like this exam phobia, and परीक्षा का डर उन्हें होता है जो लोग अपने समय को वेस्ट कर चुके होते हैं, जिन्हें उस एक्चुअल टाइम में पढ़ाई करना था वो वेस्ट हो चुका होता है. एंड देन इन वेरी लेस टाइम दे पीपल वांट टू हैव all those talent, all those things which is really matters for exam point of view. This really happens with students and youth. That's why I'm sharing my opinion on this exam phobia. And exam phobia is a very big problem for our country and for our youths, and for the basic awareness regarding with exam phobia. I am giving my point of view on this topic. एग्ज़ाम फोबिया नहीं होना चाहिए, लेकिन होता है. दिस इज़ अ वेरी नेचुरल फिनोमेना दैट हैपन्स विथ although students every students, with every youth who are preparing for any kind of exam and will appear for any kind of exam and competition, they feel exam phobia. And in exam phobia many symptoms like depression and feeling down, and health become worse than that. This type of condition arise, and this shouldn't arise, but this happens. And if you have ever seen in your surrounding, like with your friends, they become afraid when exams comes very near. And with exam phobia, like fear, this is a fear of exam, fear for exam. And there are many phobia means dar for anything, for any particular object, for any particular thing. You feel fear and you become feared. That is fear, that is phobia. And you need to understand this. And आपको, if you had prepared for your exam, then only you have to do your revision, and you have covered all your syllabus, then exam phobia you will not feel too much. But if you didn't practice, if you didn't study a lot for your exam, then you will feel low for yourself, then you will feel down for yourself, then you will feel depressed for yourself, then you will feel your life is wasteful. if you are not confident during exam, then how you will face the challenges in upcoming days after exam? And there are, you have to understand this, exam in your life lies in your life, not life lies in your exam. आप अपने जीवन को कभी एग्ज़ाम मत बनाना। जीवन में एग्ज़ाम होने चाहिए, जीवन में कठिन से कठिन समस्याएं आनी चाहिए, बट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस दैट you are not going to die for exam. Exam is just a natural thing that in every youth, this is a whole outcome. It will give you your all, for all your hard work, for all your hard work outcomes it will give you. And it is a medium to provide you the result of your practices, of your hard works, and of your study. This is the thing that really matters. You need not to be worry about it. You should, what you should do here for your exam, before 15 days you have to just, if you have covered the syllabus, you should you should revision here. You should do revision. If you didn't cover now, you should cover at least half of the portion of your syllabus. This is really matters. And the examiners are not going to ask from full of your syllabus. You have to just cover your half of the syllabus. If you have didn't cover the whole subject within a year, in the entire year you have wasted your time and you didn't focus at all. But now if you feel like this type of problem, exam phobia, you have to be very focused right now, so that you will not go down, you will not feel low, you will not feel. This is the thing that you have to understand. एग्ज़ाम को आप सीरियसली ले रहे हैं एंड दिस इज़ मैटर्स, बट एग्ज़ाम को आप इतना सीरियस ले रहे हैं कि आप उसके लिए आप खुद को इतना डिप्रेस्ड कर रहे हैं, इतना यू आर फीलिंग फॉर योर सेल्फ लो, इज़ नॉट दिस गुड एट ऑल. This is not good for you. This is not good for your good health, which will affect totally during exam. You need to understand this. बाकी तो कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चढ़ती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है. मेहनत उसकी खाली हर बार नहीं होती. कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. You need to understand this line. You have to maintain your consistency with your preparation for your exam, and you should not break down the chain of consistency, the chain of continuity towards the preparation of your exam. You just have to revision, you just have to know yourself that if you didn't do now, you will have too much regret after the exam. That whole year, if in there is another case, कभी कभी क्या होता है कि लोग पढ़े तो होते हैं, प्रिपरेशन तो किए होते हैं, सिलेबस भी कवर होता है, फिर भी उन्हें एग्ज़ाम फोबिया होता है. दिस इज़ द अनदर टर्मिनोलॉजी, एंड I want to give my point of view that they should also be focused through this preparation. That is very important, and we should know this phenomena, and we are here for this only. And you should not feel like exam phobia, and exam phobia is a very important term here. That's all for today. I will meet you soon, and I will give you the very important term like this. Thank you so much. Bye bye. We will meet you soon. Thank you so much.